Today on Mom to Mom, we have some super helpful potty training tips that I wish I knew with my first two kids. As a parent, you know potty training can be super stressful at times, and as a mom, I found these life hacks to be really helpful, especially with my last child. I wish I knew them with the first two, but that's okay, I got the third one right. So we have three of them for you today. Up first, we have the color changing Potty Magic, and it's basically just that. I don't know if you've seen these fun little bath drops, but when you get them at the store, you're gonna take the blue one out of here and you're gonna drop it in the toilet. And then of course, when you mix yellow with blue, it turns green. And let me tell you, your little ones think that's the greatest thing ever. Up next, we have something that most moms would have in their house, and that's a panty liner. So what you wanna do is you wanna take the panty liner and your child's underwear, and you wanna stick the panty liner right in the underwear. So if they happen to have an accident, all you have to do is pull off the panty liner and the fabric is safe, and you just toss the underwear right into the laundry basket. And finally, we have something that's going to save your life and your beds at bedtime. So what you want to do is you want to double up on your waterproof fitted sheet and a regular sheet. So you want to take your waterproof fitted mattress pad, put that on first, then you're going to put your sheet on, then you're going to take your other fitted waterproof mattress pad, put that on top of that sheet, then you'll take your sheet, put it on top of that water pad. So if you happen to have a little accident, and trust me, they will happen in the middle of the night, all you have to do is take off the first two layers, put your child back to sleep, and you don't have to worry about laying a towel on there or getting more sheets out. It's already done for you. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Hopefully these tips help you, and if you have any other wonderful hacks about potty training, I'd love to hear it, and we'll see you on the next Mom to Mom.